Hello guys, today I want to show you a few tricks about polymorphic relations in Laravel taken from a package, well-known Spotty package, Laravel Activity log. While browsing the package source for new ideas for videos, I've noticed this thing. So actually two things to show to you. So, activity is a model that has polymorphic relations with subjects and causer. So for example, if a user created a product, then a causer is a user model with its ID, polymorphic relationship number 1, and then the subject is product with its ID, polymorphic relation number 2. So 2 fields each, subject type and subject ID, and causer type and causer ID. And the first trick is this. Did you know that you can define polymorphic relationships with trashed? In other words, if the project or the user are soft deleted, polymorphic relation record subject would still return them as results. And this is even more complicated here because it's configurable as a package, so you can enable or disable that function from the config. So that's kind of trick number 1 with trashed. And then another trick related to this. That model from the package adds a scope. So you can do scope for subject, do for example activity get, and use a scope for subject passing the model of a product, for example. And then there's a method called subject get morph class, which would actually return a string of app models product, which is actually the value of subject type in that case. So this makes that scope really flexible. Whatever that activity belongs to, you can add a scope. And also, if you didn't know, that get key is used instead of ID field because maybe potentially your primary key isn't necessarily ID. It may be UUID, it may be named differently. You can configure that on Eloquent level. So for those cases, some of the packages trust get key more than hard coding the value of ID. So yeah, a few tricks about polymorphic relations. I have much more content about polymorphic relations, and I will link some of the tutorials in the description below, as well as the source of this particular model. Are you using polymorphic relations in your project? What is your experience? Let's share and discuss in the description below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.